Hey, what's up, guys? Offer review part 7. So we got a budget gaming computer for $350. It's got an i7 and a GT 1030. It's obviously an HB pre-built. He included the side panel photo for whatever reason. He included the back I/O. It's honestly a decent computer besides the graphics card. He took off the side panel so you can tell he works on computers. The processor is the i7 3700, which is a pretty solid processor for light to medium gaming. The part that really pisses me off about this post is the way he says you can run games. This card, the graphics card, cannot run any game. That's just meant to put display output. If you try running Warzone on this, you'll get like 9 FPS on 900p, like lowest settings. Like, what do you guys think?